Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Swanky Snacks. Today we are going to be filling up all my 5 vending machines today. We got a lot of product here. Let's get going. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe, follow the channel. It's free! And let's go. Packed up. Let's go. You guys know that Prime comes in a smaller bottle now? 12 ounces, 16.9. $1.50. We'll see how that goes.
Also trying out some new product. I found these pretzels on Sam's Club, but they don't have them in the store, so I had to order them offline. Bought the case for $13.64. I'm going to sell them each for $1.25, making a total of $25. On to the first location now. Let's check out these. Drink machine is getting hit. Snack machine is also doing very well. A lot of sections to refill. Let's get to work. Got some Feastable bars. The kids have been enjoying these. And I got some new Little Debbie treats to try out. Lemon and strawberry flavored. Cosmic brownies are always a hit here. I'm always selling out and buying more. The Feastable bars have been selling really well at this location. If you want to see more, check out my video from a few months ago, Feastables versus Prime. You can check out and see which product sold more in a 2-week span, and the Feastables clearly won. They sell out about every time I buy a pack. I want to know which flavor Feastable is your guys' favorite. Comment down below. Mine has to be a tie between the peanut butter and the almonds. I also got to say that these fruit roll-ups have been a big seller. I buy a 72 pack for $16.48, and I sell them for 50 cents, making me a total of $36. Snack machine is all filled up. Let's fill up the drinks. Man, I swear last week I had bought the same cookies and now they're a lot smaller. And look, there's barely any cream in the middle. Inflation, man, it's crazy. Alright, we got the mini primes in there. We also got a new flavor of Mountain Dew in there. It is Baja Laguna Lemonade. Let's get the cash. Nice little stack. And let's check out this snack machine. Snacks always seem to do a little bit better than the drinks here. Another healthy little stack. Let's grab that, fan it out for you. This location is always doing well. I'm always here about once a week, checking on it, making sure it's filled up. After I left, I saw this cat in the parking lot, and I almost tried catching it, but I bet it lives in one of these houses.
Cat's just roaming the neighborhood. It's in my neighborhood.
Alright, after that, let's go to the next location. This is my new location, if you guys saw in one of my last video. I'm still trying to learn what these guys like and don't like, but I know they have a bistro available to them that sell Coke products, so I try to stick mainly to Pepsi products and energy drinks because I know they can't get their hands on that as easily as they can on Coke products. Alright, machine is filled up, got the pretzels in there. Everything looks nice, filled up. Let's collect this money and move on to the second machine. And again, these machines don't have the usual cash box like my other machines do, so it's just collecting a nice wad of cash. Alright, this is the second machine. I'm not going to waste your time by watching me refill the same machine again, so just going to collect the money on this one. And there's the stack. I'll make it look nice and count it later. Now let's go to the third and final location. Alright, walking up to it, and wow, look at that, guys. A whole selection of drinks are missing. A lot of the chips are getting hit. Good amount of the snack items, but look at that, a whole shelf is gone. So we got some work for us to do. Let's get to work. These guys typically are soda fans, and a lot of the nurses ask me to get like 0 sugar, so I get 0 sugar Pepsi, 0 sugar Coke, and they ask for beef sticks all the time. So on my next trip, I think I'm gonna go a little crazy on the beef sticks for them. I try to be a people pleaser. It's one of the aspects of being a vending machine owner, pleasing the customer. As you can tell by my shirt, I've gotten into the One Piece culture. I want to know if you guys are a fan, and if you are, who is your favorite character? I'd have to give my praise to Zoro. My girlfriend is a big fan of Brook. Comment below your favorite character down below. I try and usually do this anytime I'm refilling a location. I'll leave a couple snacks on the top of the machine or in the machine for you can easily make somebody's day by getting them a free snack. Drinks. Alright, let's collect that money. Now these people are typically higher credit card payers, but this has a nice little cash box, a nice 5 on top. That's always a good sign. Good luck. Nice little healthy stack though. But let's pack this up and let's head home. Nice amount of change as well.
Let's go.
Here's a little view of my ride home. Get to see the skyline of downtown Cleveland. Alright, I am home now. Let's get all this money out, count it up, and I will tell you guys how much it was. Can't stress how fun it is every week or two just going to my locations and collecting a nice stack of money, guys. It's, you know, definitely not all passive income, but it is a very easy job. You're doing it all by yourself. You know, no one's there to tell you what to do. And look at this. You just taking boxes of candy and you leave with boxes full of money. Who doesn't like that? I typically spend about a half hour to an hour per location, and the farthest location for me is about 45 minutes. So I think it's all worth it. I mean, just look at the potential and think about it, you know, 3 locations making $100 a day. Times that by 30, that's $3,000 a month. Times that by a whole year, and that's $100 a day times 365 days in a year, getting $36,500. I mean, that's about somebody's salary sometimes. And I just do this on the side. So
Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-chingery. Money, oh money, oh I love thee. Cha-ching, cha-chong, cha-changaroo. From pennies to dollars, any amount will do.
it is definitely another job, but it is a very easy going job as long as you have the right mindset to do it. Alright, we just finished counting up the money, and the first location made $117 in cash and $125.15 in credit card readers. Second location made $98 in cash plus $110 in credit card readers. The third location made $35 in cash and $85.75 in credit card readers. Total cash is, for cash we made $250, and in credit card readers total it is $320.90, bringing the total for all 3 locations to $570.90. Now, if you don't think this is a good business though, this has been just from the past month. So, thanks again for watching, guys. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.